Oh baby, back again. Here we go. Got me some new upgraded metal shocks for the Haiboxing 1/18 Ratchet. This thing has been sweet. Awesome drive, dude. Smooth. Steering's phenomenal. Definitely need to get more of these links. I can feel that they're gonna break. My boss just broke a shock, so I'm gonna take some of my old ones to him. So these also have the little boots in them. Okay, so I just got extras, I guess, to go with these little shock bodies. So these ones are supposed to be oil filled, I think. It looks like it because they got it's like twist on caps and stuff. It looks, I don't know, whatever. It's supposed to be good. They look good. They look nice. I like the color. Which hole do I? They got two holes up here. Mine was on this hole, but I want to go to this hole, I think. No, you know what? Let's just keep it stock. Keep it stock. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna keep her stock. These screws can go on here. Beautiful. Okay. Screwdriver. Okay. This. We'll lose some shit for the night's out. I can tell already. This is painful, bud. This is painful, man. Beautiful. Wonderful. Okay, well, and you can see it with the body shell on right there. Oh man, am I wiggling the crap out of that camera? My bad. I might get a stationary mount, so we'll get that eventually. Baby steps, baby steps. So, first impressions, looks super cool. Super cool. Just looks, you know, I don't know. This looks cool, man. It's metal parts. I love everything about metal parts. You get metal parts on a remote control vehicle. I want it. I want it. Unfortunately, I'm not filthy rich, so can't have it all, but I can have this. So, alright man, well, I will come back and kind of give an update on these shocks and see how they go. Thanks for watching.
Let's do it. Oh baby, slow mode, slow mode. We got her in slow mode. This thing looks good. Even in slow mode. New shocks on. Yeah! There you go. There you go. He's just getting the hang of her. He likes the ramp. Oh shit, he missed it. Look at that. Look at that little thing. Just plowing through the leaves, even slow. Angel, crank her up into high speed. Woo, he says. Yeah. The new shocks are amazing. Just awesome. Even the pothole over here that I was having problems on, that one right there, man, it just boots and scoots right over it. All right, Angel, hit that son bitch. Yeah, throttle all the way through. He's a champ. This is his first battery through it, and he's doing bomb ass. Look at this shit. He's already ripping around. This thing is for everyone. Let me get over here and get a good shot of ramp ride. All right, let's do this. Let's do this number. Hit that shit. Dude, and it just keeps going. No more of that flipping around. I think that it's more stiff. I don't have as much bounce and flip over. I think that's one nice thing. Yeah, let's hit this bad boy again. Look at that thing. Look at it go. Dude, I think he's only flipped it one time, but never off the jumps yet. Just a well-balanced vehicle. Let's hit one more jump, huh? Back her up, get her lined up real good. Oh my gosh, here we go, here we go. Boom! Yeah, upside down, baby. That's what we're talking about. Still ready to go. Awesome.